Good morning. We are Supreme International Company. We are ISO 9001 certified manufacturing company which has its manufacturing base at Delhi, yet we are selling our products to pan India basis and also exporting to 9 countries in the world. We are dealing in many automation products. Our most preferred products are Nurse Call Bell System, Peon Call Bell System, Queue Management System, Panic Alarm Button, Air Quality Monitors, and Add-on System. We specialize in providing embedded solution for automation products for B2B and B2C customers. We are a very different product company. We don't make products to sell the product to fit your requirement. We make the product to keep in mind your requirement and give you tailor-made solution. Each of our product is customized to your tailor